Hello everyone, in today's video we're going to be going over how to unbox the KMP 1500P. Alright, so the first step is to locate and carefully cut the packaging straps. So the next step is to have somebody help you out lift the top cover off the packaging. The next step is to again locate and carefully cut the straps inside the packaging. Next step would be to ask for some help again to carry out the top wood plate off of the AMR. Next would be to remove the 4 foam pieces at each of the corners alongside the plastic cover that covers the AMR itself. So for the next step, we need to get 4 eye bolts and 2 straps so that way we can lift the AMR with a forklift. The eye bolts go in the marked spots as shown in the AMR. And then we take the straps and attach to them. After you have the straps in, then you need to call for a forklift driver to come and lift the AMR off the pallet. All right, so for the next step is to feed the straps into the forks. All righty, go ahead safely and slowly raise it up and put it down. And for the last step is just to take the eye bolts off along with the strap. And now the KMP 1500P can be turned on and used.
Industrial intelligence.